responds with a short, warbling tone called the good combo tone. Who writes this? Listen, let's learn how to change our combination on our keypad. If you have an American Security keypad, this one up here at the top says ESL10. This is gonna work for the ESL10. It's also gonna work for the ESL5. Now this is if you own a safe and you've never changed it, for example, to the factory code, and we need to put something new into it, or we've had it for a while, our employee, and we need to change our combination. That's all we're doing here. We're changing our user code, okay? So first things first, we're gonna open the door, and then we're gonna turn the bolts to come out so that the door is locked open, I like to say. So if we make a mistake, it's a lot simpler and easier for somebody to help you with that, like a locksmith. We don't have to charge you to drill it open to get into it, okay? So let's check it out. I'm gonna enter the existing code, give it a turn. I'm gonna pull it open. From there, what I need to do is, like I said, I need to roll the bolts back out. This one has a detent on the back side of the door. There we go. So now the bolts are out, okay? So, step one, we're gonna enter C and then pound. Then we'll hear a warbling tone. From there, we're gonna enter our existing combination and then pound, okay? That was warbling, obviously. Warbling again. Now we're gonna enter our new 6-digit code, okay? Let's just do it backwards for the sake of the video. Followed by pound. And then one more time, that same new code. That warbled and then some. So now I should be able to test our combination, make sure that we changed it. So first things first, actually I'm gonna go and test the old code, make sure it's gone. No, 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 no. So we'll enter the new code. Okay, so again, this video is only to describe how to change our user code when we have an American Security ESL5 or the ESL10, okay? If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. You know I'm gonna answer. And like, subscribe, follow. Thanks for watching, guys.